Yeah, you can swim.
Right,
You
bud.
got a life jacket on.
Can we get in the boat, baby? Yeah, come here.
Chrissy.
Swim, Christian.
Come in.
It's kind of like the beach when a boat goes by, huh? You got little waves.
Oh my gosh. I'm thinking. I'm actually still touching the floor. I'm still touching.
You got one out?
Still touching the
It's like you first, right? You first.
Golly. Keep going, girls.
Keep going, right.
Mason, you swim better than that.
No, I can't.
She's sacrificing her little sister first.
Yeah.
I want you to go get her.
No, I can't.
They're not gonna be able to come back.
Why?
Christian,
I mean, they can go walk around.
you're like, I'm not doing
Chrissy,
that,
just get up.
huh?
You're not doing
She's
anything.
like, no thank you.
It's okay, Chris.
All the way to the beach?
I want the ladder first.
Christian. Is that it?
Go.
Okay, same thing. Hits the fan. You farted?
Mama, can I go in the sea?
Who can I throw in? Who do I get to throw in?
Mama, not me, I'm cheering.
Go ahead, babe. Want to document this moment.
It's Daddy John.
2.
Do it. Do it.
1, 2, 3.
Get a mace.
I'll pull you in.
No. Go, Daddy.
Go on,
Just think it's really hot. It's summertime. You're sweating.
You're gonna think you have tonsillitis.
Nice and warm, I see.
You were supposed to wait over there for Ryan for Chrissy so she could get in.
You just gonna jump in?
So, yeah, I'm gonna jump in.